Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen. So today I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on our screen. We still have our lines drawn as we drew them yesterday. So on this chart, basically the price is in a very good uptrend. We had a very good resistance. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. The price broke above this resistance here. It extended to the upper side. Then we had another resistance level here. So we have a breakout, then a resistance, we have a resistance, and currently we have another resistance here. So as it is right now, we are looking forward for a possible break above 1.38, 135. If the price can ascend and close above this line, then we are going to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to mean that the price is continuing to the upper side. So we'll have our target fixed at this price here. The other target is fixed at this price, and the other target is fixed at this price here, and the other one is fixed at this price. Then we have the last one at this price here, and then we have another one at this price here. So as it is right now, these are the levels where we do expect the price to go up to. We are expecting basically that the price is going to continue to move in an upward manner, at least up to the levels which I've just drawn. If the price hits any of those levels, then we may expect a possible reversal or a break and a close above the same level so that we can continue in the same direction. So that's my opinion on this chart. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is upwards. We have a very good uptrend. So we've had price ascend above this zone. Then it formed a shape here. It was a resistance. There is another shape here, a small shape. So as it is right now on this chart, we are basically expecting a possible continuation to the upper side. But first, we do expect that the price may break and close above the range which I've just drawn currently. If the price ascends above it, that will be a good sign that we're now continuing to the upper side. So if for some reasons the price breaks above this upper line, we will be expecting it to continue in the same direction. But if the price breaks below this lower trend line, then it will be a sign that we may see a move to the lower side. So that is my opinion. That is my opinion on this chart. The other chart is GBPUSD. We are bearish, just as we mentioned yesterday. So you remember, we said this was noted. This was last week. We mentioned that if the price can sustain itself below this zone, we said that if the price could sustain itself below this zone, it could give us a very good chance to be looking for a continuation to the lower side. And that is exactly what has been happening so far. Since the price broke below this zone, it has maintained a bearish trend. We've seen the price continue to the lower side. We've even had it break below this line, the one it formed earlier this week. So this is a sign that we may see a continuation to the lower side. So we keep looking for sell positions below this line, expecting the sellers to push us even lower. My next chart is EURUSD. This is also bearish, as we said some few days ago. So we had a good support here. The price broke below it. We had another support here. So we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. Then we have another support here, and then we have another support here. So as it is right now, if the price can pull back and touch 1.06568, this level here, we will be looking for sell positions, expecting the sellers to push us downwards towards this line. If this is broken, we will expect it to continue downwards towards this level here. If this is broken, we will expect it to extend even lower towards the next level, which is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.